What is Windows? Windows is the main software that helps you use a computer. Think of it like the control center of your PC. It lets you open apps, browse the internet, watch videos, and do everyday tasks. When you turn on a computer, Windows loads and shows the desktop. The desktop is like a digital desk where you can see icons, files, and shortcuts. At the bottom of the screen is the taskbar. The Start button opens a menu where you can find apps, settings, and search for things on your computer. Windows helps you organize files into folders, just like keeping papers in labeled folders at home or school. It also helps keep your computer safe with updates and security features that protect against many online threats. In simple words, Windows is the software that makes a computer easy to use. Without it, most people would not be able to use their computer the way they do every day. Thanks for watching. Now you know what Windows is and why it is important.